Oi Denji, you miserable fuck. Why are you even here? Who invited you? Makima only has you here because she wants me to be jealous. You're not special. You're not cool. Who raised you to be such a bitch? Your existence is a stain on this earth. Fucking kill yourself, bro. This is the most sincere I've ever been in my life. Just get into a bath with a toaster. Trust me, no one will even remember you. Your life is so meaningless, it's kind of funny. But not really, because nothing about your existence creates joy. Honestly, just off yourself.